Hello, I'm Ron Kaufman. What does it mean to shift from a reactive to a proactive approach in service and at work? Well, we know that service is taking action to create value for someone else. That could be a customer, a colleague, a community, a boss, an employee. When you have reactive service, you're responding to whatever request or problem or question the other person has presented. As the service provider, as an HR manager, your job is to find and provide the answer. That's reactive service. That's reacting at work. Proactive means that you anticipate the needs, the situations, the interests, the concerns of the person you serve. You think, what is it that they really want to achieve? What is it that they want to accomplish? What is it that they want to avoid? And then you, understanding their situation and perhaps understanding even better than they do what may come up in the future, you make suggestions, you make recommendations, you make offers. You take the initiative to create the future together. Thanks for watching this video. Your dedication to serving better and caring more makes the world a better place for everyone. For more uplifting ideas, practical insights, and free resources, please subscribe now.